Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Jaguar XF battery. First, let's talk about safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye goggles when working with car batteries. Make sure you are in a well-ventilated area to avoid any gas buildup. Before connecting anything, ensure your battery charger is completely turned off. Now let's connect your charger. First, attach the positive or red clamp from your charger to the positive terminal on your Jaguar XF's battery. Next, connect the negative or black clamp to a good chassis ground point on the car's bodywork, away from the battery itself. This ensures the vehicle's sophisticated battery management system accurately monitors the charge. With the connection secure, you can now turn on your smart charger. Ensure it is set for a 12-volt AGM battery, as this is common in Jaguar XF models. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. For a deeply discharged battery, expect the charging process to take several hours or even overnight for a complete restoration. Once your battery is fully charged, it's time to disconnect. Always turn off the charger before touching any clamps. First, remove the negative clamp from the chassis ground point. Then, safely detach the positive clamp from the battery terminal. To maintain your battery's health, consider using a trickle charger if your Jaguar XF is stored for extended periods, keeping it at an optimal 12.6 volts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.